Okay, so you know we were at the thing, and we're going to go in actually the lesson itself to work on what you're supposed to do with Ms. Tumari's. Okay, you're going to be working back and forth on the Jamboard so that you can see the differences, and that you can put this into your little boxes or in your workbook. Okay, all right. If you're using the internet, then you can do that. If you're not, then you can use your book. Okay, so. All right, so our dash says our book, if it's here still, which would be amazing if it's still here. It was here before I opened the video. We talked about the identity, or sort of like, not identity. We talked about the addition and subtraction equations, right? And the differences between when we adjust an addition question and a subtraction question, right? Okay, so we're gonna open a new are you guys in the system now? You must be, I don't know. We're going to open a new one, okay, and we will get to it. You see, in my first video didn't have any interruptions of network. Now we're having problems again. Just wait. Okay, so what I've done is I've copied from your book again, and I put it into the Jamboard to help you guys understand it. So your book says, it's here on page 64. Okay, what I'm putting it in the Jamboard. Write the answer explaining your thinking. Marco adds 457 plus 208. Okay, let's see what Marco says he does. He adds it. Okay, so we're going to say 457 plus 208. Okay, and he adjusted to 457. What's 457? Did he adjust it? Oh, he adjusted it to 460. So what did he do? He added how much? 57, 58, 59, 60. He's added 3. He added 3. Let's make, I'm going to change that. Let's add 3 with a different color. He added 3. Okay. And what's 208 to 211? Hmm. 208 to 211 is what? It is 208, 209, 210, 211 plus 3. Okay. He gets 671. That's his answer, 671. Okay, so he says, this is what he says he's gotten it done. He says 450 to 460 and 208 to 211. Is Marco going to get the same answer? What did he do wrong? Let's look at this. What is 457 plus 208? Can we get that? What is it? 457. Okay, so let's write the answer is 671 here. This is what he says he's gotten, 671. Okay. What is 457 plus 208? Well, what's 7 plus 8? Put 7 in your head. Where am I? I don't see myself. Are we still online here? Oh, Miss Marcy didn't share screen. Oh dear. Okay, I thought I did that already. Okay, so your book says Marco adds 457 plus 208. That's from this one here. Okay. Sorry, guys. I thought I said this already. Okay, so 457 plus 208. He adds 457 to 460. That means he pluses 3. And 208 to 211. And he pluses 3 more. Well, we're going to figure out what is 400. We're going to say, well, what is, he says, 457, he adjusts 457 to 460 and 208 to 211, right? He did this. That's what he's done. Is this and this going to be the same answer? Let's see. Okay, what's 7 plus 8? 15. Carry my 1. What's 1 plus 5? 6. What's 4 plus 2? 6. What is, let's do this one. 460 plus 211. What is 0 plus 1? 1. What's 6 plus 1? 7. What's 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. Why are they different? What happened? Does anybody remember? Why did he get the wrong answer? Why is it not the same? Does anybody see the problem? Does anybody see the problem? Let's look back at our other Jamboard. What was the rule? Do you remember the rule? He added, right? When he adds, he's supposed to subtract and plus. When he adjusts, he minuses and pluses. Did he minus and plus here? Did he minus and plus here? No. So to make this equation better, he did not follow the rules. So do you agree with the strategy? We have to say no. He did not plus and minus to adjust. To adjust. Okay, it's easy. So write that, Mr. Murray. She can pause it so that you can write it. Okay. All right, I'm going to go on. Let's go to page 65 so we can get through this video. Oh, wait, 6. Enter the difference. Let's go to a Jamboard. Miss Marissa is going to copy this again. All right, we're going to enter the difference. Now we are doing what? We are subtracting, right? So it means we're going to subtract both sides. Let's go to Miss Marissa's Jamboard as soon as this menu goes back up. Okay. We're going to plus and minus both sides. All right, so let's copy it in here. All right, so if we are going to adjust this, remember what we have to do? We have to say 272 minus 99. What are we going to take away? How many? How many would you like to take away? 9? Okay, let's take away 9. So wait, minus 9, minus 9. All right, so 272 minus 9 is what? Think in your head. 12. Put 12 in your head, or 72, because 12 and 2 have the same 2 in the ones. Okay, so 72. And here is 9. 73, 72, 71, 70. What's before 70? 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. Is that right? No, my friends didn't do that right. Okay, 79. What is 72 minus 9? Not 75 minus 9. 72. 72. 72 in my head. 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63. Okay, so this would be 263. And we minus 9, so this would be minus 90. Okay. What is 3 take away 0? 3. What is, can we do 6 from 9? 9 from 6? Nope. So we need to make this a 16. Okay, with, and then we add what down here? Plus 1. 16 take away 9 is what? 16 in your head. Here's 9. 16, but count back 9. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7. What's 2 take away 1? 1. Let's see if the other side matches. What is, can you take 9 from 2? No, you can't. So what do you have to do to make this a 12? And then you add your 1 here. Because you're adding your 1 to the side, right? Oh, those buses are crazy. Okay, 12 take away 9 is 3. What is 1 plus 9? 1 plus 9 is 10. 10. Okay. Can you, wait. 10. 10. No, I didn't do that right. Hold on. Okay, so 1 plus 9 is 10. So just think 10 in your head, because this is the thing. What was that before? I can't remember. Oh, 99, sorry. Okay, so we have plus 1 is 10. So 10, can you take 7 from 10? No. So we're going to make this A1. We're borrowing from that one. Okay, and we're going to put this one as a 17. But 17 take away 10? 7. And what's 1 take away 0? 1. Do the answers match? Do they match? Yes or no? Yes. Because we both minus 9, so we can adjust it this way. Or we can do it the normal way, but this is more complicated. This is easier. Okay, do you see how that's different? So in order to adjust the difference, you need to adjust the difference by subtracting both in a subtraction problem. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, let's see. I'm going to go down to, that's for you to make your mark there, your movements, and to do it in your book. Now it says enter the sum. Enter the sum. Okay, so our sum is going to be, let me just copy it again. Enter the sum, because we have to show how we adjust it on the box below, inside the thing. You add it and then you adjust it, okay? All right, so let's go to our Jamboard again, and we're going to do the sum. We're going to adjust the sum. Okay. Now this one's easy, because it's really easy. Okay, and when we adjust the sum, we plus and minus, right? Okay, so let's make it a blue for the addition. 139 plus 216. Well, if I plus 1 and minus 1, what does that become? Plus 1, minus 1. 139 plus 1 is 140. 216 minus 1 is 215. Okay, let's add them. What's 0 plus 5? 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. Is it the same? Let's check. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry my 1. What's 1 plus 3? 4. Plus 1, 5. What's 1 plus 2? 3. Is 355 equal 355? So that means that 355 will be your answer. But you have to show your adjustment in the box below. If you do not show your adjustment, it's not correct. I will take off because this is what it is. It's sure you can add and subtract. That's great. But they want to see that you understand what's the purpose and how you adjust something. Okay? All right. So the rest of them, I'm going to let you do by yourself. I think you've got 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And then, yep, it looks like you've got quite a few to do by yourself. But you must show your work. Don't just solve it. You must show how to adjust. How to adjust it. Right here, that word adjust. How to adjust. Don't forget your rule. Again, your rule is, in case you forgot, because you know Miss Marissa is always talking too much, maybe, okay? Don't forget your rule here. Your main rule is what? When you add, you plus and minus. And when you subtract, you minus on both sides. Don't forget, or your question will not be right. And you have to show me how you adjust it. It's not just solving the equation. I need to see that you understand this mental concept, okay? All right. So, you have a lot to work on. So if you didn't finish your decomposition of subtraction yesterday, you still have to do that. And now you've got more to do. Okay? If you don't understand, it's okay. Just try your best. You can pause and go back. I'm going to post this in Class Dojo. You can talk to Mom and Dad about it when you get home if you'd like. Say, Mom and Dad, can you explain it to me a little bit better maybe? Or what Miss Marissa is saying. And if they can't do it, that's okay. We will talk about when Miss Marissa gets back, okay? All right. Okay, sweethearts. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Love you. Bye-bye.